Hi, David. Can you see the camera? Did Mommy just feed you? Yeah. Oh my goodness, you sneezed. It's like you're directing the orchestra.
He's
Yeah.
trying to figure out his hands.
Yeah.
How to work them.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Your foot's stuck.
Yeah. You just got fed and you're feeling pretty good, huh? Yeah. Hi, David. Hi, David.
He usually doesn't do this much with his hands.
I know. That's why I wanted to get it on camera.
Every day it seems like he's developing more and more.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Okay, I'm going to shut you off. Actually, I'm going to shut the camera off.